How much money is in scrap? We have 4 tanks. I know what you think, there's only 3 there. Nope, there's another one there. We've got this, lots of things. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Right, we are getting rid of a load of scrap today. So we have, there's just loads of scrap here. We have this old 7 Series Beamer. Now there's no engine in it as far as I know. Is there? Is an engine in it? No. So it's just the shell. Right. Things in it, so we've got a load of metal in it. We've got this shell up here with half an engine in it, so the Beamer, right, half the engine's in, a load of scrap in it. We've got loads of scrap here. Oh, there's the spray booth that we did. More to come on that soon, or whichever one comes up first, I'm not sure. This is all the scrap here, so we're going to see how much we get for this. Yeah, I'll do my best to try and get to you, I just can't promise anything. No worries, chat to you. Okay, bye. My phone hasn't stopped. Anyway, so yes, let's get this bad boy down. Oh fuck, the bonnet won't close. What we're gonna do? She'll buff out. Right, so we're gonna load this up and we're gonna essentially rail this in and see what we get. Now this is all free, and what I mean by that is I've been given all this. Now that sounds great, and you know it is, but it might not be as good as you think, because we've got my recovery truck. That's not cheap to buy and to run. Obviously my time to do all this and to load it all and to take it down is gonna take a day within 2 days, if you know what I mean, because I've got other things to do. So I'm going to do 1 load today and 1 load tomorrow, and hopefully get it all in with 1 load. I might have to do 3 loads, come back with a skip to load all the other bits of metal. I'm not sure yet, but that's potentially 3 loads. So diesel, time, effort, wear and tear on the truck and all that. It might not necessarily be as good as you think, and I've got all this for free. So we're going to tell you exactly what we make, and is it worth your while doing it, even if you get it for free. Alright, we've got a bit of a space issue. How am I going to do this? I'm on fucking sand, literally spinning. I got fucking cars everywhere, trucks everywhere. Yeah, we can't smash anything apart from this piece of shit. Right, let me think. Right, start this bad boy up. Bong bong, engine malfunction. Lovely. Let build up air. Can't even press the clutch, everything's controlled by air. Yumma. Shamon. There we go, clutch is now down. Air brake off. Oh, brake pressure still low. Oh, there we go. Right. Are we in reverse? We are, people. We're trucking. We're trucking. Not really, but there is no room. It is outside. Headlight fault as well. God, I've only got a couple of inches each side of me. Such a big yard. There's so much shit in the way, people. And I'm moving more shit just to put more shit in. What's all that about? So once this shit's moving out, there'll be more shit put in. Fucking hell. Hear that guy screaming? What the fuck? Oh, she's not happy. She's not happy. Come on. Come on, Betsy! Oh, where's that fucking wall? I know there's a wall there somewhere. Oh, I've just missed it. Right, full lock! Oh, there's a fucking Tesla there as well, brand new one. Bastard. Like, literally. I am struggling for room. There's two drive axles in this, two durable axles, and I'm still struggling. Here we go. Now. Fucking hell. Now I've got two fire truck bodies behind me, an X5 and another thing. Jesus! Right. We've still got, I mean, see how much that beamer was wobbling on the forklift, so that's still going to be a fucking issue. Not that it matters if I drop the fucking thing, but... Right! Betsy has been moved! And we didn't hit anything. Thank you, Betsy. Right, this is just literally me going to be fucking around in a forklift. Right, time to deliver. Stand and deliver. We got it all strapped down. Got straps in it, out it, around it, absolutely everywhere. And yeah. So, see how we get on. Look, we have a skip. That makes my life so much easier. Can now load all the stuff, all the loose stuff, which is just going to be a hell of a lot easier. Right, we're close to being loaded. Work smarter, not harder. So what we're going to do with all that is, that's all doors and big back doors, big lorry doors, boot lids and everything. I'm going to put that on the top to kind of strap it all down to stop anything falling out or anything like that. And then we can weigh this in, and then just down to that bad boy. We're all good to go. I didn't do it. So a fucking car slid forward. Look what the dickhead did here, look.
Who done that?
The knobber that owned it before me.
Oh. Go and do your running camera to me.
So, just want to know that you've called me a cunt before I turn the camera off. I think I maybe got it on camera, but I just, like I said to you, I'm your favourite cunt. So yeah, that's all that matters. We got it all strapped.
I won't interrupt you now.
I'm moving it away. So, do you want to be on it?
No.
Oh yeah, I didn't think so. We've got it all strapped down. Loads of straps at the top. We'll put all the panels at the top, so we're going to keep it down. Should be good to go. Let's see what we get for it. Have this.
Huh?
We're going to stand back and got one bolt each, see if we can break the window.
Wait a minute.
Only one bolt now. You're going to get a big bastard one or something.
Oh.
Right. One wheel stud bolt off a caravan. Who can break the window? Where's it gone? What have you got? Alright. Right, you go first, I'll hold the camera.
You go first.
Alright, hold the camera then. You ready? Missed.
Hold the cap.
Where are you going?
I'm going to break it.
You got a centre punch. Oh, it didn't work. I'll do it with the forklift. Hold on. I'll do it with the forklift. Centre punch not working.
It is.
Holy shit. That normally works.
Yeah, they could be laminated.
Well, use the bolt then. Stand back.
I haven't noticed.
Why?
All it's going to do is for the fly.
Right.
I'm
Didn't
going
work.
to go through that. Is the sound on?
Yeah.
The new cameraman. And here we have Leo the Lion, or should I say Leo the Pussy, breaking up a BMW. You have to keep going.
Jeez, that took some pressure.
Told you. Tilt back your forward. Cool watcher.
I just leave it here. We have to do the other two windows.
Where are you going?
We have to do the other two windows. We can smash the windows there because then it's not as much fucking tidy up. I was going to say get a centre punch, but that's not going to work. Just get a sledgehammer. Did you put the sledgehammer back?
No, I think you should go. Oh, tough.
Someone wants the windows, I can send them to you in little bits. They fucking did. It's almost like the forks were bending.
I nearly stuck the focus.
Alright, go for it. Jesus Christ.
That's taking a fair fucking while.
You went a lot harder with that one than you went straight through.
That one's easy.
Right, this is my last load. We got an old 7 Series. We got a caravan trailer underneath and a few bits of crap inside it. Good to go. Isn't she beautiful? Right, we have done. That is all the loads done. And roughly, this is always the problem because, you know, when you say how much you've made or so, oh, your time, you this, you that, and all this, so I'm going to kind of try and go into as much as I can. Time-wise, that was about 1.5 days it's taken me from start to finish. which was longer than I was kind of hoping, to be honest, but look, it is what it is. I got the metal for free. If I was paying for the metal, I wouldn't be doing it. It just wouldn't be worth it. I was hoping to kind of do it all in one day, to be honest, but anyway, well, not what knows, one and a little bit days. I suppose if I really pushed it, if like, okay, let's put it this way, if the guy opened till 6, I would have done it in a day, but he didn't. He closed at 5, so I just couldn't get down to him. If he stayed open till 6, would have been a day. Anyway, and not a hard day's work by any stretch of imagination. And we're going to say 50 euros in diesel. Now that is really kind of the top estimate, but again, I'm just going to say that just for round figures. And then you could say wear and tear on the vehicle, say another 30 euros. Again, that's way high. I'm talking, you know, like wearing down tires, mileage for service and stuff like that. I got 330 euros for all that. First load, I can't remember the fucking load. Anyway, it was the car with the little bits of metal in, then it was the skip that we filled, then it was that 7 Series with a few of the little bits of metal in it. Cars you don't get a lot for anyway, because there's a lot of like plastics and stuff in the cars. There was no tyres on them. You get penalised for tyres and all that. Anyway, 330 euros, so you can say whether you think it was worth it or not. Would you do essentially an easy day's work if he opened till 6 for that sort of money, or do you want more, basically? And like I said, take out the 50 euros for diesel, take out the 30 euros for wear and tear. I know I could literally put it all within 30 euros, all that, but I'm just saying that just on the, you know, just on the higher estimate. So there we go. That's what we got for it, people. That's what we got for it. Anyway, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, all that, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.